Good afternoon, my name is Sean Carlson. I am Blackjack 98 Enterprises, and this is a Yamaha P-45 outboard motor. Introducing the Yamaha P-45 that has been in production from the years 1964 and 1970, making this a vintage motor. It features a 17-inch shaft being powered by a 2-horsepower 2-stroke engine. The engine itself has been recently rebuilt entirely by myself, Blackjack 98 Enterprises in Vancouver, Canada. The P-45 uses a 50-to-1 mixture of premium gasoline and high-quality 2-stroke marine-grade engine oil. The internal gears have been cleaned and greased properly with a Yamaha branded high-quality marine grease for effective and fluent operation, making it quiet and water-resistant to corrosion. The engine cover has been remodified for proper opening and closing of the lid. The carburetor has been adjusted to manufacturer specifications for proper trolling and idling speeds. There are currently no missing parts, no loose parts, no broken parts, and definitely no leaks coming from the gasoline or oil reserves. It will come with a copy of the original user's manual and parts manual for future reference. For more videos of its operation, rebuild, and repair, please go to the YouTube channel named Blackjack 98 Enterprises and watch me in action as I strip it down completely and get it running again. This motor is considered to be a working vintage Japanese import. Certain parts for this engine are obsolete and cannot be replaced by any means. As of the date of this video, it is currently available for sale to the right buyer for $1,000 Canadian. For more information, please get a hold of myself at scallywag98@outlook.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and its contents.